What does it mean to push innovations? Combining quality, precision, and durability. For us, it means confidence in our skills our partners can rely on. We develop and produce high-quality screwdriving and feeding technology, air motors and air tools that optimize your production and increase your efficiency. DEPRAG automation solutions will ensure seamless integration into your production lines. Our products are at the heart of numerous industries worldwide, from the automotive and mobility industry to the energy and electronics industry, household appliances, medical technology, and aerospace. DEPRAG precision is present everywhere. But DEPRAG is more than a machine manufacturer. We are a globally active and independent family business. A reliable partner that offers you tailor-made solutions. Our experienced team of engineers and technicians will help you understand your individual requirements and find the right solution. Our driving forces are quality and sustainability. State-of-the-art technologies, customized software, a radically new approach, AI, and Industry 5.0 will make your project a success. DEPRAG, Machines Unlimited.